Hi and welcome back. It's time for a second video in a series of videos with breathing exercises for singing. Do you want to improve your singing by transforming your breathing? Then you're in the right place. Today I am talking about diaphragmatic breathing in singing. You may be actually very surprised what I'll tell you about diaphragmatic breathing. Yes, you may even not like it, but you will definitely like the exercise, which is going to deepen your breath intake and give you more ease with inhaling for singing. So keep on watching and I will be right back. Hi, I'm Katarina from How to Improve Singing, and in this video, let's talk about diaphragmatic breathing. But before I start, let me just remind you that this video is a part of a free training for singers called Breathing Exercises for Singers. If you want to improve your breathing so that you can sing with more power and ease, it's not too late to sign up. Click the link under this video and receive all of the exercises and materials to make your breathing skills better than ever. So, let's start. Efficient inhalation occurs when all of the body parts are coordinated in a way which allows the diaphragm to descend fully. Yes, your diaphragm moves down when we inhale. The downward movement of the diaphragm creates more space in the lungs and therefore air enters the lungs. Some people call this type of breathing diaphragmatic, but it's not an accurate name. It's actually very misleading. Your diaphragm moves down every time you inhale, whether you inhale deeply, efficiently or not. Your diaphragm moves more than 20,000 times a day. It works day and night. It moves even during your sleep. So, breathing is always diaphragmatic. I am not sure where the name came from and why singers want to learn diaphragmatic breathing. What you really want to learn is to coordinate the movement of the diaphragm with the rest of the body to create conditions in your body that allow the diaphragm to descend fully, efficiently and easily. And that's where the next exercise comes in. In this exercise, we are going to focus only on the abdomen. During inhalation, the torso is expanding in all directions. But to make things easy, we are going to focus only on part of your torso that is your abdomen. You may already know that the abdomen is moving out during inhalation. The abdominal muscles have to release or relax to make space for the inner organs which are misplaced as a result of the descending diaphragm. So let's do that. Sit down on a firm chair, your feet placed on the floor. Bend lightly in the hips and lean your forearms onto your thighs. Inhale and observe how your abdomen is moving. It's moving out without much effort. That is because the muscles are relaxed and they are not engaged during inhalation. But do not push your abdomen out. You can move your abdomen in and out without breathing just by contracting the muscles. But that is not what we want. Let the body do the job naturally with every inhale you take. The movement is free of any tension. Because your abdominal muscles are relaxed, the abdominal wall is able to move out as a result of inner organs being pushed out. When your abdomen moves out, it is not the diaphragm that you feel and see. It's the inner organs pushing on the abdominal wall because they are pushed down by the diaphragm. Anyway, if your abdomen is not moving out during inhalation, it means that your abdominal muscles are too tight. Relax your abdomen, let it hang. No one is watching. If you do this exercise correctly, the air enters the lungs effortlessly. Once you know how to do this exercise sitting down, stand up and try to achieve the same relaxed belly movement while standing. Keep your abdominal muscles relaxed and allow them to move fluidly in and out with every breath. You don't need to exert any effort to achieve this movement. So let's do a few repetitions together. Breathe in for the count of 4 and then exhale for the count of 4. Ready? Inhale, release the abdomen, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And again, inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now you know how to allow your diaphragm to descend more. Keep practicing to make this movement automatic. I challenge you to continue practicing this exercise every day for a few minutes, and you will see and feel the difference in your breathing in a few days. As usual, if you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. And once you complete this exercise, just write "completed" in the comments below too. That is all for today. I will see you again with another breathing exercise for singers. Don't forget to hit the like button and of course, click the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay in the loop. Have a great rest of the day. Happy breathing!